When you have some old wooden furniture that has been used for a long time, such as tables and stools, would you choose to throw it away and buy new ones, or refurbish and repaint them? Buying new ones is a good choice, but there is no money. So choosing to refurbish old items is a good idea. Next, let's take a look at the video of a customer buying our pulse cleaner to refurbish furniture.